Good morning, one and all. I am Karna Gole, working as assistant professor in EC department in Sri Vasmi Institute of Engineering and Technology, Nandamuru. Today, I am going to explain transport layout. In transport layout, data is transferred from source to the destination, and it is a fourth layer of the OSM model. In TCP/IP model, it is the third layer. In OSM model, first layer is physical layer, second one is data link layer, third layer is network layer, and fourth one is transport layer. To send the data from source to the destination, we are taking client to server parallelism. We are talking about to send the data from source to the destination. We are taking the example is client to server parallelism. Client to server parallelism. In client to server parallelism, client is at source side, this client side, we are taking number of processes are there. Process, PROCESS, number of process means running program and host. It internally consisting of data M1, M2, M3 like that. Here we are taking monitor, that as host. This is the keyboard and mouse connected to the host, and it is for client side. For destination side, number of processes are there. And so on. There has the data M1, M2, M3, M4 and so on. These processes are, it is a program running on computer. That's what here we are taking. Another host, like the system. What is the system is there? That is electronic device. Here I am taking display, keyboard and monitor. So total part is nothing but host. Number of processes processes are there. So what is transport layer means? The data is transferred between process to process. Process to process. The data is traveled client side to the destination side. Here destination side, according to the client server paradigm, destination is nothing but server. This is the destination. Here data is directly traveled from client to the server only. We are not talking about node to node link, and there is no connection of host to host. Basically, in a physical layer, data is available in the form of bit streams like zeros and ones. But that this physical data is connected to the data link layer, and these bit streams are converted to the frame structure. For frame structure, it is the format of the frame. Format of the frame, it is split into two parts. One is payload, another one is header. And data link layer is one of the application is, or one of the what is the main work of this means. It will error control and flow control is there. For error control and flow control, we are taking Trillium. Okay. This frame is connected to the network layer. Then frame structure. Again here payload and header. Here in payload data is there. When coming to the header will tell where is the data is starting. Will tell the source address and destination address. Network layer, basically address is belongs to the IP. Okay, Internet Protocol. If it is data link layer, address is MAC address is there at all devices. MAC address is available. Network layer, IP address is there. When coming to the transport layer, for transport layer, so what is the structure of the data format? Structure of the data format is, again here format is split into two parts. One is payload, another one is header. Okay. Here header has source address and destination address. Basically, what is the need of what is the main aim of transport layer means to send the data from client to the server. Okay, to the process to process. Here in header, source address is there and destination address is there. It is the data will be available in the form of segments. Here data is available in the form of packets. Here data is available in the form of format, frame, and what is the address of every layer. So data link layer, MAC address is there. Network layer, IP address is there. In transport layer, port address. Port address is available in header. Source port address is there and destination port address is there. In this way, data is sending from client to the server through the process to process directly. If you are talking about data link layer, data will be transferred from source to the destination in the form of This connection is called node to node connection. Node to node. Here also node to node. Node to node. Node to node. Like that. It is the data will be transferred from sender to the receiver to the nodes in data link layer. If we are talking about network layer, data will be transferred from host to host. Directly we are talking about client and server only.